Now, if you are completely new to programming, it might be a little bit of a mystery to you. Why do we do it? What's it for? Well, programming is mighty simple to think about if you think about Lego. Lego is comprised of different sizes, colors, and shapes of bricks. They're all little individual pieces, and by themselves, they don't really mean anything. But what you can do as the builder is create items out of all of those blocks, and you can create pretty much anything you can think of. So that, in a nutshell, is really what programming is. It's taking all of these little tiny blocks and manipulating them, sticking them together to get them to perform a certain function. Like, for example, we've created a working house. So, in this section, I'm going to teach you some things about programming. Whatever language we're doing it in doesn't really matter, but I'm going to teach you the correct way of handling all of those little blocks and how to put them together into things that perform a much larger action on a much grander scale.